Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Hetzner storage box review, including the product itself, can be found in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the service. Hetzner Storage Box presents a robust and budget-friendly cloud storage solution tailored for businesses, developers, and individuals requiring dependable file storage with effortless accessibility. Whether you're seeking off-site backups, a centralized storage hub for collaborative projects, or a secure location for large files, Hetzner Storage Box delivers exceptional value and dependability. A key strength of Hetzner Storage Box lies in its streamlined yet powerful interface. Managing files is a breeze thanks to their intuitive web interface. Alternatively, you can connect seamlessly via FTP, SFTP, and SMB, integrating effortlessly with your current workflows. Its broad compatibility with various operating systems ensures versatility across diverse use cases. From backing up critical data to transferring large files, Hetzner's high-speed servers guarantee swift and efficient uploads and downloads. Security is paramount, with Hetzner Storage Box employing data encryption both at rest and in transit. With a strong focus on data protection, the platform safeguards your files with diverse access controls and two-factor authentication options, establishing it as a trustworthy solution for users managing sensitive information. Hetzner's pricing structure is highly competitive, offering tiered plans based on storage needs. Entry-level plans are remarkably affordable, scaling upwards to accommodate larger storage requirements. The pay-as-you-go model ensures you only pay for the storage you utilize, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses of all sizes. Furthermore, Hetzner Storage Box boasts a high uptime guarantee, ensuring your files are readily available whenever needed. In summary, Hetzner Storage Box provides a solid, flexible, and budget-conscious cloud storage solution for businesses, developers, and individuals seeking secure and reliable file storage. It's an excellent option for those looking for an efficient and scalable storage service without overspending. For more details, explore the links provided in the description below.